Believe it or not, that's not Nala. I think that's her boyfriend who's come in the garden to see her.
It comes in every evening, doesn't it?
Yeah. He said, look, it's a bit idiot. I'll put some. That's it. There's some food there. That stick. That's it. Off you go. Yeah, it keeps coming in here. Keeps coming in the garden. Just realised it can't jump.